Good evening, everybody. Someone asked me to do a question and answer video regarding my journey and how the pendulum readings came, as well as, what did I have any childhood experiences? Is there anyone in my family that has this type of phenomena, psychic phenomena or speaking with spirits, and just how it evolved a bit. So I do have some videos up on my channel about my journey, in fact many, but I'm happy to do another one if people are interested, in more specific, answering more specific questions. So feel free to put whatever questions you have underneath this video, and I can do a talk on that and go through that. Whatever it is, it really doesn't matter. I mean, we can see if it works or not. I know a lot of people have had questions regarding some of the specific videos. That might be okay too. But, this one is more focused on, I guess that, how the experience with this connection comes, how it came here. So again, just go ahead and list them underneath there, and we will put it out and hopefully bring some clarity there for people. Okay, so thank you for asking. I will talk with you soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye now.